Okay, so I did move the camera a little bit higher so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing, but I feel like for some reason it makes me look like my tan looks uneven, but I promise it's even, but for some reason it makes my tan look uneven. Like I feel like it looks lighter up here and tanner over here, and then my face looks tanner, but anyway, moving on. So this is my first hair tutorial, so I'm trying to get the best angles. But today's hairstyle, well, the hair that I'm wearing right now is actually what I was wearing, so that's why I wanted to do a really quick updo, because usually if I wear my hair like this, the next day I'll have it in an updo or like a quick style updo, because I try to go at least 2 days that I don't use any type of heat, since I've been trying to let my hair get better. This is completely my hair. There is no extensions in here, as you guys are going to be seeing throughout the video, and I'm gonna be looking this way quite a bit because I have the mirror over here, and I can try to put it over here actually, let me try to put it over here. Sorry if it was gonna, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, it worked out. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm actually gonna be looking that way now, and I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be looking forward here to do the little teas and all that stuff, so you guys can see, because there's some parts I'm gonna be using that are gonna require some little teasing before we get in there. But let me tell you guys all the parts I'm gonna be using. So this is gonna be more of a messier kind of chill vibe, or not, because now even a messier vibe is kind of cute. You could dress it up, which I probably would, and I'm gonna put some earrings on at the end so you guys can see. But I did it with the waver. This is the pink one that I used, and this has been in my hair for all day, and it's 7 o'clock right now, so I've been wearing it since like 12, and now I'm gonna go in there and just make it into a quick little mini updo. Now my hair is short. I would consider my hair short for sure, so this is kind of more like for shorter hair. This is gonna give you a lot of volume if you don't have a lot of hair. I don't have a lot of hair. I can show you guys. I have not a lot of hair at all. If you want to see, this is literally all my hair right now. You see that? I have a little bit of hair. It's not fine, baby fine, but it isn't the thinner as far as like how much I have. But if you grab one strand, it's more like medium, like thin and medium. So that's why my hair looks thicker than it is, because of the hair type I have, not the hair density. But anyway, let me go ahead and let you know what I'm gonna be using. So you're gonna need a comb for this, any comb, it doesn't matter, tail comb, whatever. The waver, I got the waver on Amazon, so I can link it on this video. If you want to use like an elastic, you can. I'm not. When I'm in a hurry, I do. But this video, I'm going to be actually using bobby pins, preferably your shade of hair. In this case, I ran out of the black ones, so I'm going to be using lighter ones, but you won't be able to see them. Then, did I say hairspray? I'm going to be using the medium hold. I don't want the hair to look very done, so this is medium hold from Moroccan Oil. And then I bought this paste that for some reason I've been having a hard time opening, so I might not use it. This is the paste that I typically use, is a molding cream from Moroccan Oil, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. And then for the roots, I'm gonna use my favorite volumizing powder dust. It's called Dust It from Schwarzkopf. This is my favorite powder I've ever used that really works for these type of things. If I was wearing it down, I probably would use this one. There's so many of them out there now, but this was one of the originals, I believe, and for updos is amazing, but they do have different kinds. And then you'll just need like a clip or a claw clip, and that's it. We're gonna get right to it. It's super easy, you guys. I think it is. It's not complicated, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I don't want it to be. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and recurl this over here because it's been a while today. Because I'm gonna be leaving these here, so I'm gonna go ahead and recurl these right here. So let me go ahead and do that in front of you guys. So I'm just gonna record these. Come on. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to make it to where you guys can see it, you know? I'm not trying to pose for you guys. I wanted to have that kind of look, like where it's not perfectly, so you guys can see the texture of it, where it's not perfectly done. So if you can see up close the texture. Okay, let me turn around. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to do a part from your ears down. This up here. If it's freshly curled, it's better, but so it's fine if you're gonna do twist. Like a little knot, twist a knot. And then you're gonna find a bobby pin. It's okay if that's down, we'll figure it out later. Doesn't have to be perfect, so you're gonna do twist like a knot. Basically like a knot. So it's like 2 knots here, and then just move them around. Okay, so this you're also gonna twist like this. Here it just looks kind of like undone. Okay, so here you're gonna let down whatever you're gonna have down, which I'm gonna probably have down that. Yes. Just kind of find a way where they look good. So you're gonna look a little cray. It didn't, so that's why I'm redoing it. Okay. Okay, so after I recurl the hair, I just start kind of putting pieces, kind of adjusting it where it goes or where it kind of flows right. I like to kind of just go with the flow with updos because I feel like it always ends up looking more effortless. Now, all the little messy parts that you guys see at the bottom, eventually they'll kind of just start to come together and look neater as I start to kind of find a place for that, for the pieces. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure you guys kind of saw how I was doing it and how it was just kind of happening at the moment. I always tend to do that when it comes to my own updos. If I was doing somebody's updo, obviously it would be different. They would have a picture and I would go about it differently. But for mine, I really just kind of go with the flow. And it was really challenging to do my own updo while filming it. Hair tutorials are not a joke. So yeah, anyway, so that's what's going on here. I'm just kind of
going with the flow.
You have to make sure that everything is balanced out. So what I would do here is actually we are gonna wave this more. So we're gonna wave it a little bit more. And do like a twist here. And just throw it in there. You could throw in a bobby pin in there, but you don't have to. I don't know if I should leave 2 here or do more here. I don't know, we'll see. But this over here. Okay, let me make sure it's nice and even. I'm kind of liking these 2 here. So yeah, I'm kind of liking these down like this. What do you guys think? Like, I like this side, but maybe it's too much. So what do you guys think? Kind of reminds me of Megan during that interview, but like with little crimp vibes. So I don't know. It just kind of came out like that. But this is kind of what I was going for, except that I don't know why I'm not loving this right here yet. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is the back. Let's see. This is the back. I brought down a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna put on some super fancy earrings because I'm crazy on it. Let me just put these earrings on. These are super cute. So I am doing I know it's supposed to be like a chilling updo, but I feel like it looks more done than I intended for it to look. But I don't know if it's too much, but I like it. I'm okay with this, I think. This is the front. Can you guys see it? If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more hair tutorials, let me know, because this was harder than I thought, not gonna lie, because here it looks good, but then I look on the camera and it just doesn't feel good here. Maybe it's because my pomade molding cream It's not here. And so I can't smooth this out here, but I don't know what it is. But I hope you guys like this, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.